Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are supporting another small business. No, not Fallon Fabrini, but actually Jay Sashlayed from Sashlayed. So if you're watching this and you're into supporting other small businesses, online boutiques, definitely check her out. In this video, I'm going to show you what I ended up getting, some really cute essential pieces.
Yeah, like I'm living. Live it.
I absolutely love this brand. I love the quality. It's actually my YouTube sister. That is how we met. Hopefully one day we do meet in person, but we have formed a relationship and I definitely wanted to support her. It just so happens that I won one of her giveaways, which I'm so grateful for. It was a $50 giveaway for anything on her site, and then anything else I added on, I just paid the difference in shipping, of course. So I'm super grateful for that. Jay Sashlayed, thank you. You're amazing, girl. I have been watching you since you've launched this company. The effort, the time, the fashion sense that you have put into all of this, coming from a fashion background myself, I see you, girl, and I will put all of the links down below. In this video, I'm going to show you what I ended up getting, some really cute essential pieces, and since then she has also grown and expanded what she offers, so definitely check her out. I know on the side she does some handmade goodies every now and then, so check all her social medias out, support her business, shop with her. You won't be disappointed, so keep watching. Giveaway. Look what came in the mail. Check out my girl's new clothing line, clothing and accessories boutique, Sashlayed. Here goes the socials, custom poly mailer. Okay, I see you. So this is what I've ordered. You got a little tube top to go with these pants. Hubby calls them the thought pants, but yeah, we're gonna see how this makes my booty look. Okay, and here is the thank you card, the thank you note. Hey, Slay babe, I love that. And I love everything camo, so I got a nice camo jacket, and I got these really cute little furry slippers because, I don't know, they look hella comfortable. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed these goodies. Go and support my girl, Jay Sashlayed from Sashlayed.com. If you can say that 5 times without slurring, you get 10% off on your next Fallon Fabrini order. I'm not playing, and you'll have to send me a video on my Instagram, Fallon Fabrini. Anyway, please support my girl, not just because she's my girl, but because this is quality products, and who doesn't like cute things? So go ahead and support another small business, Sashlayed.com. And yeah, look good, feel good. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.
Yeah, like I'm living. Live it.